Best places to buy property in Germany. The German real estate market is growing in reputation as a safe haven for investors from abroad looking to park their money. However, like any market, there are specific regions of Germany that can offer investors particularly promising rental yields, but you have to know where to look. Investors and homeowners alike continue to be enthralled by the pursuit of the ideal property. In this video, we'll examine the best locations in Germany to buy your property in 2023 in this constantly changing environment. Number 1. Berlin. Housing prices here are among the lowest. New buyers benefit from these prices and the high quality of the buildings because they can purchase a 50 square meters size apartment for less money than a 15 square meters or 20 square meters apartment in Paris. Due to this, Berlin is among the most desirable cities to purchase real estate, whether it be for a pied-à-terre, rental investment, or long-term relocation. Since Berlin's real estate prices allow every investor profile to buy a flat in accordance with their needs and wants, which is a privilege in Europe, investors come from all walks of life. Berlin's real estate market is currently booming. Due to the lack of a real estate bubble, it is known as the capital of affordable real estate. Number 2. Munich. Munich has a strong and diverse economy, which makes it a desirable location for real estate investment. Numerous multinational corporations, cutting-edge startups, and esteemed research institutions call the city home, fostering a stable business climate. For its exceptional quality of life, Munich ranks among the top cities in the world. A high living standard is ensured for residents and potential tenants by Munich's well-developed infrastructure, first-rate healthcare and educational systems, and a wide range of cultural and recreational amenities. Munich's real estate market is a great option for long-term investments because it has a history of stability and resiliency. Property values and rental yields in the city have remained stable due to the city's constrained housing supply and high demand. Munich's population is still expanding, and an influx of young professionals is driving up housing demand. The city's appeal and potential for future property value growth are further enhanced by ongoing infrastructure improvements and urban renewal initiatives. Munich draws a sizable number of foreigners, including professionals, students, and expatriates. This diverse population improves the rental market and gives investors a chance to serve a diverse clientele. Number 3. Hamburg. Hamburg, Germany's second-largest city, has 1.75 million residents within its city limits and 4.3 million in the surrounding metropolitan area. Given its history, size, and significance, it is unquestionably the cultural and commercial hub of northern Germany and enjoys the status of a federal state. Many travelers who arrive in Hamburg by air are pleasantly surprised by the abundance of greenery throughout the city, including Lake Ulster. Of the major German cities, Hamburg has the most diverse economy and offers a wide variety of jobs. Hamburg also has the largest seaport in Germany, which makes it the location of many businesses involved in trade. In addition, it serves as a hub for renewable wind energy and is home to a cluster of aviation businesses centered on the Airbus factory. Number 4. Frankfurt. Frankfurt is a largely flat city that is situated on the Main River, a tributary of the Rhine. It is the largest city in the Hesse region, and when combined with Offenbach am Main, forms Germany's second-largest metropolitan area. The largest urban forest in the nation is located south of the city, which is situated to the east of the Taunus mountain range. The most sought-after real estate in Frankfurt includes opulent apartments in brand-new skyscraper developments in desirable neighborhoods close to the city center. The city's excellent location in the center of Europe and its outstanding reputation as a business center make it an alluring location for investment properties, and an excess of rental demand over supply results in favorable yields. Number 5. Stuttgart. Stuttgart is regarded as a desirable place to live because it serves as the political and economic hub of the state of Baden-Württemberg. The city continues to provide favorable conditions for purchasing real estate despite steadily rising asking prices. Due to the city's popularity as a place to live and invest, there is an excess of demand in the residential real estate market. Families prefer the desirable hillside locations, but many singles and couples are drawn to the apartment buildings close to the city. Due to the appealing returns and high wettability, capital investors prefer to invest in central locations. The low vacancy rate is another indicator of the consistently high demand for residential space. Stuttgart's rents have been steadily rising for years, as they have in many other parts of Germany. This holds true for both newly constructed buildings and existing properties. Number 6. Dusseldorf. Dusseldorf has been steadily adding residents for years as one of the most sought-after residential areas in Germany. The Rhine metropolis now has more than 645,000 residents, which is 4.2% more than in 2014. In line with this upward development, real estate prices are also rising. Dusseldorf is well liked by capital investors because of its strong economic fundamentals and consistently high demand. Despite the fact that there is a great deal of demand for mid-priced properties, many new construction projects are currently being realized in the upscale segment. As a result, many prospective buyers are currently exploring the Dusseldorf area's less expensive outlying areas. The city's high demand for real estate is also evident in the vacancy rate. The purchase of a condominium in Dusseldorf is particularly alluring for capital investors, both for newly constructed properties and existing properties, due to good yields and consistent value growth. Number 7. Cologne. For many years, Cologne has been a sought-after location to call home. The city's population is growing steadily, and this is driving an ever-increasing demand for upscale homes. The real estate market is experiencing significant excess demand. Media, the automotive industry, technology, and finance are just a few of the industries that make up the thriving economy of Cologne. Because of the city's robust economy, real estate investments have a strong foundation, and there is a constant demand for homes and business spaces. Cologne enjoys excellent connectivity and transportation systems due to its central location in Europe. Due to its advantageous location, which provides quick access to important European markets, it is a popular choice among businesses and investors. Cologne, which has a more than 2,000-year history, is well known for its cultural legacy and recognizable landmarks like the Cologne Cathedral. The city's thriving art scene, festivals, and museums add to its cultural appeal and draw both visitors and locals. Number 8. Leipzig. The ability to expand is one of Leipzig's main competitive advantages. Both prime office locations and a lot of building land are available in the region's city center. All over the city, prime real estate is available, as are development opportunities, including sizable brownfield sites that are ready to be revitalized by new and emerging businesses. The Leipzig area has a wide variety of lovely locations for your business to establish and develop. Leipzig has that location that will satisfy your needs, whether you're looking for offices, laboratories, industry, or logistics. Any new company looking to invest in properties would do well to locate in Leipzig. Critical long-distance commercial routes from northern to southern and eastern to western Europe are connected by the Leipzig region. Its advantageous location has been used for centuries as a hub of trade and development. The area serves as a significant international transshipment hub, luring a variety of significant transportation companies, including DHL, which manages its largest global hub from Leipzig. Number 9. Freiburg. Freiburg is the perfect place to invest in sustainable properties because of its dedication to environmentally friendly practices and emphasis on green technologies, satisfying the rising demand for environmentally conscious living. The housing market in Freiburg has endured and grown steadily over time. Due to the city's small housing supply and steady demand, there is competition in the market, which may lead to property value growth and rental income. Due to its Black Forest border location and proximity to the picturesque Kaiserstuhl region, Freiburg is a well-liked tourist destination. The city's tourist appeal increases the potential for short-term rentals and vacation homes, satiating the rising demand for authentic travel experiences. Number 10. Heidelberg. The renowned Heidelberg University is located in Heidelberg and draws in a wide range of students. Purchasing rental properties close to universities can potentially provide a steady stream of rent and a steady tenant base. The housing market in Heidelberg has been steady and expanding over time. The potential for property appreciation and rental income is influenced by the low supply and high demand for housing. A culture of innovation and entrepreneurship is promoted in Heidelberg by the presence of numerous research institutions and science parks. This may present opportunities to invest in businesses or rental properties that cater to those working in these fields. Which of these places would you like to purchase a property in? Let's hear your views in the comment section. Click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.